There are very few things in this life that scare me more than that casket that is in front of us right now.
What is that, like the world's first casket? Look how old that thing is.
I think it might be. Looks like it came from somebody's house. You hear in the background, though, that music could only mean one thing. It's time for another Samson.
Coy's out there. He's watching him reel out that coffin.
He's going to take on Zakk Spadez, who will be the next one to come out. And that coffin that they rolled by here moments ago will be in play as soon as Zakk Spadez gets out here. Boy, waiting for him to open it. Here's Zakk Spadez' music. That eerie, ominous music reverberating throughout the hall.
All right, so where's he at?
I don't know, but Coy is not in a mood to look for him.
Maybe Zakk chickened out.
I doubt that that's true. Knowing Zakk Spadez, I doubt that's true. If you remember, he's the guy that sought him out.
I don't see him.
They're waiting for him to come out. Coy doesn't know where he's at. He's looking all around. What else you would expect? Zakk Spadez playing mind games. Look, he's telling the referee to go back and get him.
I don't see him. I'm going to stand up. I still don't see him.
Where is he?
Zakk Spadez is a no-show.
I don't know that I would put any of this. Coy's not very happy with the psycho chant. Where is Zakk Spadez is the question of the moment. Where is Coy? Coy's going to go back
and look for him. He's going to drag him out of here.
I don't know what he's going to find back there, but I don't know that it's going to be Zakk Spadez.
He's looking. He's not in the crowd, Coy. I'm telling you. I seriously think Zakk Spadez took it out.
All right. Wait a minute.
What are you waiting a minute about? There's no wait a minute.
The look on his face is as if he seems to know. He can't be. There's been people around that all day long. He can't be.
Oh my God! Oh.
In the casket.
Hey, Coy wins! Zakk's in the casket! Coy wins! Ring the bell!
Shut up. That's not how this match works.
Now Coy.
Well, you found him. Now good luck. So, Zakk Spadez was in that casket the whole time.
All day.
I don't know.
All day. He's got to be in it all day. I'm not talking about Danny Shea.
Wow, okay.
That's creepy. Who lays in a casket all day?
That's I don't even know. Now, Spade's going to use it as a weapon. Hey, it's there. You might as well. He's in control.
They haven't even been in the ring yet. Oh! Coy falls on top of Thunder. Oh! Hey, he does it again!
It's a full moon tonight. And back. Oh. He's confused Zakk Spadez. Now they're going to throw forearms as they work their way through the back half of the crowd. And you see what a tremendous crowd that they're working themselves through. I don't know.
Thunder didn't try to eat Coy.
I don't know where these guys are going to end up. I would imagine
somebody's going to end up in that casket, but that's how the match is.
Well, that's how it started. Zakk Spadez now. Going to set Coy out. Wow.
Wow. Turns Coy inside out.
Where is Spadez going?
Where's Nick going, Big Scaredy Cat Nick?
That's probably a good idea. Spadez!
Oh!
Took out
Davey,
the
security guard got taken out!
He just cannonballed the security. Well, all right.
Oh!
Poor Jamie. He's going to feel that one now. Wow. So a pretty violent start to this one.
Yeah, Jamie can't get up right. The rest of the three guys are around him, checking his head.
You always got to watch out,
Jamie.
too. You don't know how many more Samsons there are to come. They've been here all day.
Billy Jack's back.
That is not good for business.
That is great for business. The Samson business.
You also got to keep in mind, you see the parts for the scaffold match later on. I don't know if these two idiots aren't going to use it too. And I say that because I don't know what they'll do. They don't like one another. That's pretty evident.
And they're both, let's face it, not even full of crap.
That's the other part of it. Spadez now rolls back into the ring. As these two, can you imagine what's running through either one of their heads right now?
No. I don't want to go anywhere near their head.
And it was Spadez who threw out the challenge for this casket match. Boy wanted no part of it. Well, normally a sunset flip would help you here. Although in this match, not so much.
This is going to come down to if you can out crazy the other way.
Well, right now the answer would be Coy Samson. Trying to rip the face off of Zakk Spadez. Wow. Well, he just rolled across the timekeeper's table. And again, Nick gets up and walks off. Probably a smart move on his part.
I tell you what, if something happens to that table, it's coming out of Nick's bag.
Hey, he doesn't know where to go.
He's responsible for that.
He wants nothing to do with Coy, and I don't either. This casket looks like something out of the Evil Dead.
I'm telling you, I think that's our first casket ever created. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, why are they clearing the chairs out? This is never good.
I don't know, but
somebody's going in the chairs. No.
No.
They burst into the ring post. The chairs probably would have been softer. That ring post is solid, McCormick.
Well, there you go. Coy said open up the casket as the security helps him out. About half of them wearing gloves. Like a splitter or whatever's on that casket.
The Black Plague is probably in that casket.
I hope not. Spadez up on the ramp. Oh! Drop face first. On top of that casket. Again, you see a referee. We talked about in the I Quit match. He's pretty much useless right now. Just there to declare victory.
Yeah. This should have been the same as the body slam challenge, in my opinion.
Well, Tank won. You got to get over that. Coy now trying to lift the dead weight in Zakk Spadez into the casket. You see Zakk about halfway in there as he can't get the rest of them up. Dropped him face first across there, and Spadez at about 220. Got to pick him straight up. Didn't get him in the casket. Spadez ducked out of it. Didn't slam pretty hard.
Oh! Head first in the ring post. Now Zakk's calling for the casket. Casket be open.
He's got a plan here as the fans are behind him. Face first, up and in. There goes.
And Coy's immediately out of there.
Look, it freaked him out.
It's a casket. You should not be comfortable laying in a casket like that freak, Zakk Spadez.
Spadez now in the corner. Full head of steam, duck it. Spear, a little shoulder tackle. He went low for the spear first, turned it into the shoulder tackle. He jumped so far. The reversal, shot into the corner.
No. Oh!
Belly to back suplex.
What?
Dropped Coy right on the back of his head. Spadez.
What's he going to do here?
TKO! Now he's got to roll him all the way over.
I didn't know he's a Mark Merrow fan.
Turns out he is.
I didn't know anybody was a Mark Merrill fan.
Maybe Mark Merrill did that.
Ain't the grace.
Problem with this is he can't roll him straight across. He's actually got to pick Coy up to get him in there.
And Coy's fighting it. Coy kicks to the head.
The point of those boots right to the temples. As Coy now up on the outside, but not in a good position. As Spadez trying. Well, I thought he was going to try and throw
that
him
backfired.
Coy,
what is this he's got him in? It's like kind of like Cobra clutches.
He calls that the $7,000 dream.
Because it's like $250,000. I get it.
Yeah.
The $7,000 dream.
He's working like a charm right now. He's got the body scissors applied too right in the center of the ring. Normally, again, under normal rules in this match, enough to get the man to submit. Not in this situation. You have to throw his lifeless body into the casket and then slam the door shut. There's not a lot he can do. Trying to inform Samson that Zakk Spadez is out.
All he's got to do is get him in that casket.
That sounds simple enough.
Sure, why not?
Again, Spadez at about 220. The crowd back to chanting Psycho, trying to get Zakk back to his feet. But now Coy has the disadvantage because now he's got to try and pick up Zakk Spadez and put him inside that casket. Spadez is in the casket.
Spadez is in the casket. Shut the door, Coy. Shut the door. There you go. There you go. No! His foot. He's got his leg. You got to get the leg in there, Coy. Shove his leg back in there.
Well, it's not working out real well.
There you go. Get that leg in there, Coy.
Trying to put all of his own weight on top of the casket. That didn't work out either.
They got to be completely in the casket for you to get a victory.
Uh-oh. A look on Coy's face. Spadez back up and he's got a hand. It's legal in this match. Trying to get him up to his feet on the outside. Dangerous for both of them. Spadez just trying to get his footing as they move the casket.
Oh, headbutt.
Homage to Al Snow.
We are in this match.
And we did have the Hall of Fame in which he was inducted into.
I'm not sure if Zakk Spadez does what he wants.
He would break the lid.
Oh, that thing's so old it'd probably shatter into toothpicks.
Wow, repeated elbows now. Spadez is suffering.
Oh, right in the mouth.
The point of the boot again. Right up in the muff. Spadez, the only thing holding him up is that corner. Coy's not. He's not going to try and suplex him from the corner.
Good Lord.
Again, he'll break that casket.
It's like a superplex.
Those two together are about 430 pounds. It'll break that casket. Think of what the damage to yourself would be. Headbutt. Coy now. Spaghetti legs. Zakk not letting him go anywhere.
Tornado DDT, no way.
No way. Oh. Hey,
oh,
inside out. Spadez with a full head of steam. Spear. Oh my God.
They're both in the casket.
He got Coy against it. Slam the lid, Zakk.
No! The Samsons are over so far tonight.
Spadez victorious.
Oh,
so
I heard Coy's claustrophobic. He's in his own living hell right now.
He starts in the casket. He finishes by putting Coy Samson in the casket.
Well, I've got work to do, McCormick. I'm going to send somebody out here that I think everyone will enjoy.
Enjoy getting your ass kicked. So a spear into the casket caps off the 5th match here. Actually the 6th match at WAR XII Ripper is headed to the hills because his client, or all three of them in the dirty, take on the silverback Chris Hall. And a stretcher match coming up next here at WAR XII.
This ain't no dream.